Big job.
Okay.
Small money. I don't got no money.
No money, no honey.
Look, all this. All right. Today's project. Get this shit out of here, baby. Ooh, wow. Definitely going with stainless steel instead of cast iron. See how that cast iron just falls apart? Yeah. Cast iron gets a little hotter, but I'm not going with cast iron this time. We're going with stainless steel. Time to get this shit in order. You know what I mean? Can't look at this any longer. Get this shit out of here. Gotta rip this stuff out of here and redo it. I'm just gonna rip all of it out. I was gonna try to salvage this island, but I'm just gonna break it down and get it out of here. And I'm gonna put my appliances all the way around the outer edge. Give me more room in the middle. Get all new appliances. Get this. The only thing I'm gonna keep is that Evo. It's still in good shape, and that thing, it's not cheap, so I'm not gonna replace that. But I'm gonna buy all new appliances. I'm gonna get a couple different smokers, I think. New grill, refrigerator. I got a new pizza oven coming, some other stuff. So might as well do it right? I'm just gonna take steel framing. I'm gonna build steel framing all the way around this with a cement board, and then tile it, stucco it, whatever you know. I might just stucco it into place. I don't know what I'm gonna do for countertops. If anybody could give me a good suggestion for countertops, let me know. I was gonna pour concrete, but I don't know if I should do that. I might just get some fancy tile or some quartz. But yeah, here we go. Let's get this shit done. Oh, what a rough life you got, Bella. You got a rough life here, huh? All right, so I'm gonna find the best method to get all this barbecue and kitchen stuff out of here today. Let me show you how I'm gonna do that. 2 thumbs up. Just joking. Yeah. Just joking.
What's your name?
I need to. You worked for me before?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to. Come here. Let me show you.
Where do you live?
Marietta, you worked for me before. You took all the stuff out of my shed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Macho Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me show you what I got. Let me get my phone. I'm going to show you.
I see that video.
You like the video? Yeah. Big job.
Okay.
Small money. I don't got no money.
No money, no honey.
Look, all this barbecue area, I got to break all this shit down and get it out.
Okay.
I got all the tools. I'll help you do everything. Let's do it today. Knock it out.
Okay.
See the barbecue area? I cut it with big saws and everything. We
just a barbecue.
Yeah, unless you guys can get it out of there, you can have it. You can sell it for $1,000. Can you get this shit out of here?
Yeah. And,
how are we gonna get it out of there?
It's blocked in the barbecue.
It's steel frame inside.
Yeah, but it's no. I think it's no.
What? A piece of plywood? Push it up? What?
Yeah, something like that. Let's see.
You want to go see?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go and we'll talk about price.
Okay, so I go get something for you because it's already.
What?
I go give me your address.
Yeah.
And I see you over there.
Okay.
I go stop for eat something.
Some burrito.
To where, you know?
No, I'll get all the food. We go now.
Okay, let's go.
Once we start working, I'll go get food.
Okay.
Coronas, everything.
Okay, let's
all right,
go.
my friend?
I'll follow you. All right.
All right. Work now. Now. Had to call in reinforcements. Oh, Macho Man. El Macho. El Mocho. I call him Macho. El Mocho. All right, El Macho.
Yeah.
I have Dolly to bring this up. But what I want to do is just I got saw.
Okay. Back up too.
Okay. Because I don't think this thing's fucking heavy. I'm gonna take this out of here. Hey. Huh?
Let me see.
All right.
That's what I need. That's it, right?
That's it, bro. This too.
Oh, these two you need?
Yeah.
What is that?
Take this, my friend.
And this, right?
What's that?
These two.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna make something with this. I'll get it.
Yeah.
Take all this out. this? Okay. Yeah, set it right there. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Okay.
Beautiful, hasta nice.
All this stuff. I'm gonna build a new one.
Everything?
Yeah.
Alright. So maybe this part too, right? This?
Nah, throw it.
Okay.
I just want this stuff here. Saying the refrigerator was still working. I don't want it.
Yeah.
It was underwater though.
This is the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I can.
Get this show going.
Fire.
Huh? Battery? There we go. El Macho.
Mucho.
El Macho. Okay. I mean, we could probably get this out of here like this easy now.
Yeah. I think, no?
Hey. No problemo, my friend. Watch the gas line. Yeah. We'll roll it up the stairs. Yeah. Okay. Roll this thing right up out of here. Put it on these furniture dollies. 1, 2,
3.
Watch the side.
Yeah, move it. Right there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Get the dolly.
Yeah.
Put it underneath. Ew. Pepper's toys. Okay.
You want that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it?
Okay, push it.
Yep. Okay. Put dolly in the back.
There you go.
Huh?
There you go.
Bada bing! Get out of the way. Go, 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 go. Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Get out of the way.
You want that?
Got it?
Yeah.
Fuck. Easy, easy. I could have done it myself, but it's too hot. You know what I mean? It's easy with one more person, man.
You need to walk down your finger.
Yeah.
You need to flip one.
I'm young enough to do it, but smart enough not to.
It's heavy for one people.
Yeah.
Too much work. You know?
Yeah, yeah. What's your name?
Ruben.
Hey, Ruben. What's up, buddy?
Little Mocho. All right?
Little Mocho? Little Mocho! Okay. Little Mocho. We're gonna...
¿Cómo está?
Little Mocho! Keep going. That's it. All right.
Para arriba. Tú sí. No pega ya, hijo.
Look out.
No.
Pepper, look out. All right.
Bye, little boy.
Killer.
¿Traes que los labios, no?
Stop teaching her that shit, Bella. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
You make that one?
Yeah.
What time you make tomorrow?
Better. Bigger. Better.
Rock or what do you put it?
Steel with stucco. Cement board. Learn how to do air conditioning?
You do
HVAC. Yeah. You want to learn? You want to learn?
Yeah.
Give me his information. Before you leave, get your information today.
Sure, thank you.
Are you good with wrenches? Welding? Is he good?
That's a star.
Yeah.
Dile que apenas vas a empezar, por eso quiere.
Fast learner?
Le sí, ¿no?
Okay. Put you to the test.
Dile que quieres,
Yeah, these chairs, all the stools, the barbecue grill, and everything else I'm going to keep. No, I put it on Facebook yesterday, but no one called me, so I'm not gonna keep it around, man. I'm not waiting. Not waiting, my friend. It's all done. Just gotta clean this stuff up. Took about 45 minutes. Got the shit pit all cleaned out now. Ready to go. Took a couple hours to get this shit all squared away, but now I got a blank canvas. And yeah, probably gonna put instead of having stuff in the middle, I'm gonna go all the way around this way this time. Probably a Komodo there with Evo, some refrigerator stuff, side burner, maybe a refrigerator. I'm gonna have another grill here and an electric smoker as well. I don't know, but I'm gonna stuff as much stuff as in here as I can. You know what I mean? Might even put a massage chair over there, a stripper pole. Who knows? I'm just kidding, baby. If you're watching this, all right? There's no way we're gonna get a massage chair. I'm on to the next one, baby.